Okay, in this video I want to show you how you can use Smart Media Technologies Homepage Pays version 2.0 to build your business. And this is from the perspective as a free member, which means what I'm telling you, you can do completely 100% free. So what we want to do here is we want to go over to My Friends. So you can go over here and you can find anybody that, like, these are your friends, but over here are suggested friends, mutual friends, that kind of thing. People who know people that you know. So that's one way of building this. I joined LinkedIn several years ago, and I never used it at all. I mean, not at all. And then a couple months ago, I decided, well, I'll go ahead and use it because I wanted to reach as many people as I could to give the system away for free. So all I did was I went in, and they have something similar to this, and I just went in and started, there was a suggested list, and I just went in and I just started clicking on people. And now get emails all the time of people wanting to me to add them to LinkedIn. So my list is just growing. I mean, I haven't done anything at all but just use this here. Okay. Now the thing is, though, I have this huge list, but it's really inconvenient to use the system, and I'll explain that in just one second, but I want to show you the advanced feature. Okay, so let's say you're trying to find someone. You can do a really elaborate search, unlike anything else online. You can search for people based on keywords. You can search for them based on their name, location, country, their postal code, their title. So, for example, if you're looking for, say, the leader in some company, or the CEO of some company or something like that, you can put them in here and do a search for it that way. Okay, company, school, for example, and that could be any school. It could be people you went to high school with, or people you go to high school with right now. Not that, just I'm just making a point. It's not, the way that it normally is. And then here you've got first level relationships, second level relationships, to third, and everyone else. So it's really cool. It's a great way to build your list. And online, the money's in the list. Okay. Now you've got the people, and I wanted to, I said before I have this big list on LinkedIn. But the only way that I can send a message to those people is to send it to them 50 at a time. I have to go through the list and select. I could put them in folders of names of 50 at a time and select it and all that other stuff. But the point is, I can still only send to them 50 at a time. Not only that, but I also have to contend with email. Email is so unreliable as a means of communication these days. So what I find is I'll write an email to somebody, and then 2 or 3 months later I'll get a reply. And the reason is because they don't log into LinkedIn very often, and they never got the email. So, and that's proof, and it happens to me all the time. So here, these people don't have to be logged into anything. Okay, they're just in the system. They're online. They'll get a notification that they got an email. See it right up here where it says 11? It's saying you got a message. And this does not use standard email. It's 100% deliverable. You don't have to worry about what you say. You don't have to worry about spam. You cannot get spam in this system. Nobody can send anything to you that you don't want. So it's 100% deliverable. I can send to 1 person or 1 million people, 10 million people, however many people are on my list. I don't need an autoresponder. I don't need to spend a dime. This is just a fabulous system. I'm going to make this in a 2-part video because there's more to it than this. But this is just a fabulous way to communicate with people for your business. If you have any type of business, I don't even care if it's a real estate business, this is perfect for your business. So next I'm going to talk about schools and that type of thing in the next video, and how it will help that type of business.